In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to promote your event on Eventbrite. Let's get started by heading to Eventbrite. Open your browser and go to the Eventbrite website so you can access your events. If you're not already on your events page, make sure you're viewing the area where your event appears as a card or a row. That's where you'll find the controls you need. A quick tip before moving on. It's a good idea to confirm your event details like the title, date and time, location, ticket types, and cover image are accurate and polished. Promotion works best when your listing is clear and compelling, so tightening up those details first will make a noticeable difference. Now look for the three-dot icon next to your event. This icon is sometimes called the Overflow or More Options menu. It's typically aligned to the right of your event's title or actions. Hover over your event entry if you don't immediately see it. Some layouts hide secondary actions until you place your mouse over the item. When you click those three dots, a small menu will appear with several options related to managing and growing your event. From that menu, choose Promote on Eventbrite. Selecting this option takes you directly to the promotion workspace for your event. This is the central place where Eventbrite gathers tools designed to help you spread the word and drive attendance. You'll know you're in the right spot when you see your event's name and details referenced at the top, along with promotion features arranged for easy access. If you ever don't see the Promote option, double check that you're looking at the correct event and that you have the right permissions for that event. That's it. You're done. By opening the Promote on Eventbrite section, you've completed the essential action that brings all your promotional options into one place. From here, you can review what's available and align your next moves with your goals, whether that's increasing visibility, reminding interested attendees, or optimizing your reach. Another quick tip. Before you proceed with any specific promotion tools, take a moment to confirm things like your event category and tags, since these influence how and where your event can be discovered. Also, keeping a consistent event image and a clear headline helps maintain recognition across any channels you use. To recap, you went to Eventbrite, found the three-dot menu next to your event, and selected Promote on Eventbrite. With that done, you have everything you need in front of you to continue growing your audience with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.